Right now, a really critical debate is happening inside the Uyghur cause about the path forward.
Some say, absolutely, it is, that the focus should be on secular heroes for a unified identity.
But another argument says history tells a totally different story.
Basically, the claim is their own corrupt belief sabotaged past revolutions from the inside out.
Okay, let's look at the first example, the betrayal of Abdiksolik Yugawihil in 1933.
So what's wild is how this popular movement was completely taken down from within.
And you see a really similar pattern just a decade later with Ahmad Jan Qasim.
So again, you see religious labels being used to create division and just stall the whole movement.
The argument here is that they were fighting each other, and that's why the revolutions failed.
So, if these inherited beliefs are the problem, what's the solution?
It really comes down to this choice: follow tradition or go straight to the Quran's guidance.
And here, the Quran actually reframes the national struggle as a form of worship itself.
From this perspective, the Quran makes it super clear. There's only one true enemy.
Targeting anyone else? Well, that's just a distraction that weakens the whole cause.
So the call to action is pretty clear. Re-examine everything and unify against that one enemy.
Which leaves us with a huge question. Can rereading a holy book really change a nation's fate?